Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to start new series in the Python programming. We will start about CGI programming using Python. First of all, we will work on our localhost, Jam control panel, and Jam server. We will upload file if possible in live server. We will make some project in this server. First of all, we have to configure our Apache server. For this we have to go to configure httpd.config. Now here we have to find, you can find here add handler. Here is add handler, and here we have to, you have not this file, you have to add this file. Here you have to add .py. Here you may get this all, should you have to get all this file. The cgi-script .cgi.pl.asp.py, because you don't need ASP for now, but you may need for other. Now this has been done for here, and restart this control panel and start this. Now let's go to our file. In control panel we will make htdocs, we will make a new folder CGI program. Now here in this folder I will create new file. I will call this as first.py. Yes. Now it will be a Python file. Let's edit with 3.7. Now this is your new file, and it will, I think this is started, and let's minimize this. For to run this file you need the path of your Python program. I have default path, install path in my local disk. Here you can go to local, here your username local, and I think here in program, here this is in Python, and this you have to copy all this file. After you copy here, you have to write yes this and this, sorry for this, again I have to copy this, copy and paste with backslash python.exe. Here this file is here, this file should be made here. Now this is the Python file we need, but we have not write any program. To initialize the program we have to print with, first of all we have to print content type. This should be text or HTML. Now let's print a space only and print here. Here you can do like this. I will include this in title CGI programming. I will give this title and print. I will print some heading file. That's 2, and I should close this too. Now this heading file I will give this is my first program. Here I should include that title. This is like we have to include all the HTML code. For this, now this is how you can run this. Now we have to go localhost / cgi programming. I think this is the same folder. Here our first file. Yes, this our file has been run. This is the setup, and we will work on something like this. This you may think this is printing. This will be hard for us. Let's go with simple. Here, if you want to print a multiple line, then you have to create a third three. You have to create three columns here, and you have to write here. Here I will write HTML and include the HTML, and here inside this I will create head. We have to type everything manually. This is body. Now inside head I will write some program. I will not add anything for now. We will work like a pro, like we will use all the bootstrap classes and CSS all things, but now we will use inline style. Now here I will give title only. Hello, and inside body I will make this to center. Let's make the all things in small letter. And here I will apply h1. Style is equal to this is style. If you apply this three bracket, this three inverted comma, this comma will not be treated as the ending of the comma. Now if you add 3 comma here, it will detect this and it will make wrong, but if there is only 2 commas, then no things will happen. Now still I will give, sorry for this, color to red, and that's one. Now I will call this as the red heading. Now let's run this. It should, as this came with red color and in the center. Now other thing what we can do is we can make form inside this. Form action is equal to, will not make anything, this action is equal to post dot py, sorry for this, method is equal to post. Inside form we will make two input. Here I will make text label. I think label should be like this. input type is equal to text name is equal to name. Let's make only this and br. Let's copy all the things and this I will copy as email type is equal to email and email. Let's see if we got this as name email. Something is like this. We will maintain this later, but we are just working with this. Let's make break once more. Now I will make input type is equal to submit and sorry for this name is equal to submit. This is our form that we need. As here it will get this first page again and again when you load. If we make second page, we can read the data. If the button is clicked, we will read their data later, and we will first of all we will make the static page. We will use image here or something like this. We will use bootstrap css other things, and we will work on it. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.